Hey everyone, it's that Math Magician. On this video, we're going to take another look at angle relationships, but more specifically, we're going to focus in on one of them, and that is vertical angles. Vertical angles show up when you have two lines intersecting, so we're going to want to see how we can solve for an unknown variable in a problem that involves vertical angles. So let's go ahead and jump right into this example problem where I see two lines intersecting. We have the lines AB intersecting the other line, CD, here at this point E. And notice that we have some angles that are created. We have our top angle, which we can call angle AEC. And we have our bottom green angle that we could call angle DEB. Now notice when I'm naming these angles, I'm just tracing along them and following the three letters that name it. So for example, for the top, I'm just following AEC. That's why I called that top angle AEC. For the bottom, I just followed DEB. Again, tracing the angle. I could have traced it the other way. I could have called this bottom angle BED. There actually would have been nothing wrong with me saying that that bottom angle is BED. Just like I could say the top angle was angle CEA. Notice they're just flipped, those names. And it doesn't matter which way you do it, just as long as you're aware that that middle letter always has to be the point where your angle is. Notice the blue angle is formed here at point E, and the green angle is formed here at point E. So we have to have those middle letters being E. All right, so what are vertical angles? Well, vertical angles are just opposite angles when you have two lines intersecting. We have those two lines there. Notice that the blue and the green angle, they are opposite from each other. They are not next to each other. I'm not talking about the blue and the red angle that are next to each other or the green and the red angle that are next to each other. They are opposite from each other. And there is a fact about those opposite angles that we call vertical angles. And here's that fact. The measure of one vertical angle is going to be equal to the other measure of the vertical angle. That is a fact. Opposite angles of two intersecting lines will always be equal. So this is going to make this problem so easy for us to solve because we know that that top angle and the bottom angle are equal because they're vertical angles. So what's the measure of angle AEC? Well, that is X. They told us that. What's the measure of angle DEB? Well, that bottom angle there is 27 degrees. Notice that my equation is already solved now, that I know that X equals 27 degrees because these angles are vertical and vertical angles are always equal. It's that Math Magician, and I'll see you on the next video.